today's video is a bit of a different one. Basically, I got this amazing jumpsuit from H&M not too long ago in the sale with the intention of cutting it up and making it into a playsuit. But the issue is that I actually kind of love this jumpsuit and I don't think I'm ready to cut it up yet. I think it'll be an amazing piece when the months get a bit colder and I just kind of want an all-in-one item to throw on. As you can see, it is fully sleeved, the legs are long, and also it has a zip front and a collar, some amazing details on the front, pockets, twin stitching. I actually love everything about it, and as a result, I've challenged myself to create this jumpsuit in a summer playsuit version. But here's the catch, I'm only going to use clothes that I already own or fabric that is already in my studio. Rummaging through the boxes of fabric that I have in abundance, I found this old pair of tan jeans and surprisingly some cotton that actually matched. So I decided to take these jeans apart, cut as much of the fabric off as I possibly could to see how much I had to work with. The next step involved taking a pattern from the existing jumpsuit. I actually don't have a tutorial on this, but there's so many all over YouTube, so I'll link one down below. I ended up with a front yoke, back yoke, front panels, back panels, the collar, sleeves, and also the shorts front and back. With lots of pattern pieces, but not that much fabric, I had to be very careful with the placement of the pattern. I also used some details like the pockets for the front, so I didn't have to pattern cut anymore. And also was just very careful with what fabrics I used for which part of the playsuit. So as you can see, I used the jeans for the smaller parts of the playsuit, like the front panels, the yokes, the collar, and I had to use the cotton for the bigger pieces like the back panel, the sleeves, and also both shorts front and back. I was too busy sewing to actually film most of this project, but I'm gonna talk you through what it looks like, and I hope you guys love the results as much as I do. So this is the playsuit, and I absolutely love it. Oh my days. So as you can see, the neckline on the original jumpsuit was actually a collar. I didn't have a zip long enough, and I did say I wasn't going to purchase anything new, so I had to make do. And I actually quite like the look. The sleeves, these were the best sleeves I've ever patterned. I was actually baffled. They went in perfectly, no issues, so I'm so grateful for that. The crotch is slightly a bit weird, but I realized it kind of was on the other jumpsuit anyway, and I just copied the pattern, so it's cool. So this here is the jeans. I didn't even move the pockets. This is the back of the old jeans, and this is the cotton fabric. So it's slightly a different color, but in real life you literally can't tell. So yeah, this is garment number 1 of my range of sustainable clothing for summer. And I hope you guys try and make something new. I'm gonna try and do some DIY videos, so watch out for those, and speak to you soon. Bye.